Hey everyone, it's Natasha of natashaskitchen.com, and I am so excited. I'm gonna teach you how to make affogato. It is a classic Italian dessert. It sounds fancy, but it literally has 2 main ingredients. And I'm gonna show you all of our favorite toppings. This is so scrumptious and you're gonna crave it until you make it. So let's get started. For every serving, you'll need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream or vanilla gelato. Because this recipe is so simple with just 2 ingredients, we do love to add toppings. Our favorite and simplest is just some shaved chocolate. Next, we'll make 2 shots or 2 ounces of hot espresso. Now, if you don't have an espresso machine, you can use espresso powder to make it or use very strong brewed coffee. I love the smell of espresso any time of day. Now, affogato means drowned, and we're basically drowning ice cream in hot coffee or espresso. So just pour it over and watch the magic happen. Oh, I'm excited. As it melts, it forms this creaminess over the top, and it's just irresistible. Oh, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit more chocolate on top for good measure, because why not? Okay, here we go. And this is best served right away so that the ice cream is partially melted. Look at this, and the coffee's still warm. We're gonna go right into this taste test, because how can you not? You guys are craving this, aren't you? I told you. I'm at a loss for words. It's so good. Seriously, this is such a nice treat. Summer evenings dinner guests will love this. It is incredible. Look at that creamy foam forming on the top. Wow, and that little bit of chocolate. Okay, now that we've done the taste test, I want to tell you guys about some of our very favorite toppings. So the first combination is that one with chocolate. That's the one we make the most often. And by the way, if you don't have an espresso machine, no problem. You can use strong brewed coffee or instant espresso powder. Easy peasy. And then we also love vanilla ice cream, right? Drizzled with homemade caramel sauce. Oh, and chopped pistachios. It is such a good combination. You have to try it. Coffee with caramel, with ice cream, with pistachios. Okay, and then next we do a couple scoops of ice cream, a generous drizzle of chocolate sauce, and then a sprinkle of sea salt. In that chocolate, a little bit of salt, coffee, ice cream. I'm telling you guys, it's a winner. You can experiment and make your own fun combinations, but any of these options are sure to become a hit. It is so good. I'm gonna go and enjoy this. If you love easy desserts, check out some of our all-time favorites right over there and right down there. And before you go, make sure you click below and subscribe and click that little bell icon so you'll get notifications every single time we post a new recipe. We'll see you in our next video.